Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to craft with Painter. Firstly, right side up to make the initial folds. Fold in half top or bottom, then unfold. Pinch a small 2-inch crease from the right to left in the center, just a mark, and fold both the right and left edges to the center crease. Now fold in half top to bottom again, and fold the top right corner diagonally toward the center, and fold the top left corner down diagonally to meet the right fold. This makes a central V shape. Now fold the outer top corners inward, making a small triangle flaps. These folds form the top curve of the heart. Now unfold the model, fold the bottom right and bottom left corners into the center line, then unfold. Fold again only up to the previous crease and inside reverse, fold both bottom flaps. Now open the front layer at the bottom carefully. Fold the little triangle back behind itself along the existing crease. Repeat this process on the left side. Now rotate your heart upside down, fold both bottom corners and repeat the same fold to cease, and fold, then inside reverse fold as before. Now pick up the model, reverse fold the small corners in, and reinforce the top diamond shaped crease as mountain folds. Then push down slowly on the diamond. This gives the fluffy shape. And that's it, guys. Now tack the final top flap inward to secure the model and use a pencil or chopstick to gently push out the heart and give it a puffy shape. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.